No, no, no. When we open any site or a website or anything like that, if that page is called
Yeah,
page
whichever
layout.
visible to us, the design of a page, etc., we can call as page layout.
Mm-hmm.
That means coming to Salesforce, each and every object will be have their own page layout. Whenever we are creating an object, automatically page layout will
Mm-hmm.
be created for that particular object from the Salesforce side. For example, if you click on any object, go with project object, and here click on force.com. Have you find any layout here?
No, sir.
Okay, so go to consultant, and here,
Same fields are coming.
okay,
No.
okay. So go to view fields,
Mm-hmm.
related lookup filters, validation rules. Again, here you can see page layout.
Yes.
That means what is the tab name, job position here, and same way
Mm-hmm.
here. Whenever we created the object, that page layout has been created automatically from Salesforce side.
Okay.
Okay. So now what we are going to do is, if you click on this tech lead position,
Okay.
how many fields are there?
Fields maybe more than 10 or
Yeah,
12.
more than 10 we have. So, in this, which one is the important field? How can we find out? And which field will comes under which department? How can we find out?
Field means if anything is important, it shows the red line first. It's a
No,
mandatory
that
thing.
be required field. What I'm saying is, which
Mm-hmm.
field comes under which department. For example, here you can find HR email ID and HR contact number. So these two fields will comes under HR department, right?
Yes.
So in
Mm-hmm.
case if I want to make this page like that, we can do it by using page layout. So job position details. 1 minute. So here, click on edit page layout.
Yes.
See here, you can get all this information. Okay. So coming to fields, you can get all the field names here. Coming to buttons, we can get all the buttons which are available in this page. Quick action in the sense, still we haven't gave any actions here in this particular profile, sorry, object. Related list for this object it is showing report charts. So coming to fields here, and here you can find section and blank space. In section, if you click on section, what will be happen? See here, if you click on section, it will come like this.
Section name and display section header on. Okay.
Okay, so now what I'll do is, I want to show HR information. So I'm taking this selection page and keeping here, and here I'm making it as
HR info.
Here I'm giving you two columns and 1, 2, 3, 4 I give like this. Or else
Okay.
this pattern we can give.
What is that? Detail page? Detail or
Detail
detail?
page.
Detail page. Okay.
Detail page and edit
Detail
page.
page. Okay.
Okay. So HR information we have added. And here, how can we get our HR information here? Simple. Just take this one and drag it here. That's it.
Whatever fields we want in the
Yes,
HRD
same.
information, we can drag and drop.
That's it. And save. Now going back to this page, I'm just giving refresh. Job questions. See here. If you click on tech lead, now there is separate lines for HR information.
They are separating. Yeah. Okay.
And earlier it was all single line, and here compared with job position details it is there in single line, but HR information we made it as two lines. Got it?
Yes, sir.
And one more about page layout.
Can we change the fields in the custom object also?
Yeah, we can do it. So that's what
Okay.
we are doing now. So here
Okay.
job positions, company required experience, position status, etc. We have, right? See, if you want to make it required field, here also we can make it required.
Mm-hmm.
Required in the sense, just now you said there is a red line will comes, right?
Mandatory field or
Mandatory field.
something like that.
So not only
Yeah.
while creating record, here also we can make it. If you
Mm-hmm.
click on this, see, hiring manager. Okay.
But when we make it here, that rule, we have to, when we are creating the next one onwards, it will apply, right? Before what we are created, it's not apply for both those
No,
records,
this
right?
one it is already there. This tech lead version information, it was already there. For that also it will be
Oh, no,
applicable.
no, no. I'm not talking about in that one. Mandatory field.
Ah, yes, exactly. Hereafter, whichever we are giving from,
Whenever we want,
yes,
when we
from there
create
it
the
will
new
works.
things, then it will apply. Okay.
Okay, now hiring manager name, position status, location, number of position. I want to see these three into some other department. So how can we do that?
Department. We can create one,
Okay,
another one, section.
okay.
Those are HR manage, not the required experience and position.
No, here we need to give selection name. We can,
Yeah, yeah. No, no, no. I'm reading the fields, just what we can give the name. Employee experience details, required field, requirement, information.
okay. So this information, job position information, and this is requirement information. Requirement information, what are the things has to come?
Position state,
Hiring manager,
required. Okay. Number of
location,
position,
next number of
position.
positions, position status.
Okay. This is only for look and feel, sir? Or
This is not only for look and feel. I'll tell you why it is happening. I'll tell you exactly.
sure.
So now it is changing. Location hiring manager. So now if I want to make it hiring manager as a first, again I'll go to this page. Okay, next minimum pay and maximum budget. So here I can take this one to finance team. So what I'm doing is if I click on job position,
Mhm.
I'll be getting all the information. Job position information. So one minute here. This section automatically discount. Okay. So minimum pay and minimum budget, it will comes under finance team. So I'll prepare one more section, finance team. In this minimum pay,
Maximum budget.
maximum budget, and in case if you want to make a few more things like other expenses also we can make it.
Mhm.
So now you got it right. Earlier, we had different fields in single line. We had more than 10 to 12 fields, but here we have mentioned separate. So it will be happen only in page layout. Now you got it right. See, instead of showing this page like this in single page, here this will be detailed page, right? Okay. So now this is how page layout will work. In case in this organization, uh, this on this particular object, even HR team will work, and finance team people will work, and operations team will work. Okay, so while HR team people is logged in this particular object, do they really require finance team information?
No.
They need not require this one, right?
Uh-huh.
So for that, what we can do is we can create another page layout. We can create another page layout, and let me tell you some other way. So this is the page layout which is applicable for all the people. So now what we can do is we can create another page layout. We can create another page layout, and we can add this page layout to particular users who are there uh, to visible in finance team. So for example, now go to users page again.
setup users. Fine.
So here I'm the system administrator. So I can be having access to create all these things. And in case if Shrikant belongs to finance team and Vijay belongs to HR team, then what could be the page load should be there? While Vijay logged in for this object, only HR information has to come.
Yes.
While Shrikant has logged in, only finance team information has to come. So for that, what we have to do is first we need to check profile. See, job person only read for this. Okay. Next, what about 26th May profile?
Abbavaram.
One 25th May profile. See, for Vijaya, job positions is not available. Got it? So first we need to check profile information. Then we can go with page layout. So now tell me, I want to create two profiles. One is finance team and another one is HR team. Okay. So how can I create the profile? So just remember, Vijaya should be there in HR profile and Srikanth should be there in the finance team profile. So now tell me, I need to create two profiles, right? So how can I create profile now?
We can clone that one,
Yes,
Vijay
that's
Bandari.
what I'm saying. That's what I'm asking. So can you please guide me to create HR team profile for Vijaya?
Okay, edit. Vijaya. Duplicate. Yeah.
No, first we have to go to profile.
Ow.
So here 25th May profile we need to clone it. So 25th May profile, just new profile. So for this we are doing, okay, for this HR profile just check job positions is available or not. No, it is not available. We can make it all the things for ready. Save. View users. HR profile. Save. Done. Now tell me how can I create another profile?
Same process. Setup and quick find profiles.
Which profile we need to make clone now?
I think 25th, 26th.
26th May. Okay, for finance team, we can see job questions. Okay,
Enable and save.
so and now in users, I'm adding profile as finance team and see done. So now we are coming to this layout. We need to create page layouts also in different people. Okay,
Okay.
so first we'll create another page layout. See, now what is our agenda? How to show different content on screen to different users. That means if I logged in as a finance team, I need to get only finance team information.
Mm-hmm.
If I logged in as a HR team, I need to get only this HR information. Finance team should not be getting it. So for that,
Okay.
we'll go with a page layout again.
Quick find page.
So page layout. So create new page layout,
Yeah.
and existing page layout will be job position layout. And now HR team layout we are preparing. Save. And in HR team, we should not get it finance team information, right? So remove this. Entire information has gone.
General information is there, but
That will be there.
HR.
Only finance team information not required. So I'm
Okay.
just saving it. So there are two page layouts, right?
Mm-hmm.
So page layout assign. We can create one more.
Job version. Finance team.
Field in the sense page layout.
Save.
So in
We can
finance
read
team, we
HR.
can remove HR information.
HR info. Save.
Got it?
Yes,
So
sir.
now,
So we have.
if you click on new, we can create new page layout. If you click on page layout assignment, we can add users in that layout. How we have added users in profile. Same way we
Mm-hmm.
can add users in page layout assignment. So click on page layout assignment. So edit assignment, HR team layout.
HR team.
For HR profile, we are adding HR team layout and save.
Okay.
Got it?
Mm-hmm.
And again same
Edit. Finance team.
finance team. Where is
Save.
save? That means what are the works we have done? We have created two different page layouts. We have created two different profiles. Yes, for each profile we have added same page layout. So now coming back to this agenda, how to show different content on screen to different users. Now if I have logged in as a HR, I should get it only HR information.
HR.
So for this, we can use record types content. So record types in the sense it will be work as a mediator between profile and page layout. Got it? So what we have
Mm-hmm.
done, we have created two different profiles and we have created two page layouts. Now, how can we log in as a HR team? That means, let me show you here. If I click on job positions here, directly I'm getting it. So instead of that, if I click on job position, it has to ask me either you have to log in as HR team or finance team. Then only I can get it that particular page layout. Got it? So now
Okay. Okay.
we are going to create record type. So if you don't focus, then you will get slightly confused today because we are discussing these things. What works best with page layouts? We can make it double workflow rule, approval process, record type, all. Which one we can make it?
Approval process.
No,
Record type.
record type, because it depends
Yeah.
on that only page layout will work, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
What type of record it
Yes.
will be?
Uh, I think mid of the develop admin class, you asked me how different people is working on same object, and they are getting different fields. You asked me earlier. So
Yes.
record type helps us to show different business scenarios to different people on same project. Now we are going to
But
see.
the page layouts are different because when you're going to the sales department, the sales page, the object is same, but the layout is
Layout will be
different.
different because that layout will be depends on the profile. We
Okay.
have added the
What
same profile,
happening
right?
is what happening in my work position also. I'm looking for the one particular object.
Okay,
It's not showing to in my org,
okay.
but the testing department they can see that object and they can access that object.
Come again. I'm not getting you.
No, in my org, and when I'm searching for that object, it's not showing me.
Okay,
But the testing team,
okay,
when they are testing that other object, they're able to see that object.
okay. That means
But the layout is different. But the layout is different. My layout is different.
okay. So how did you say that your layout is different? Their layout is different.
He shared the screen for
Okay, I
me.
have a small doubt here. When you don't have access
Okay.
to get that particular object, how will you get the layout?
I don't know
Yes, yes.
because when
One
I'm
minute, 1 minute. Whenever we are creating an object, there itself a page load will be created automatically. Okay. In case
okay,
if we want to share that particular object to in different teams, we can make it another page layout. So here my question is,
okay,
if your profile is different, then you won't be having access to get that particular object. Maybe that
okay.
testing people will be having that particular profile.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So in
I
this
raised the
case,
question.
you should check your profile. So just now we have seen, right, for 26th
Mm-hmm.
May profile, job positions record will be having only create option. Sorry, read option.
Yes.
But coming
Right
to your
option.
profile, there is no access for that particular object. So that's the reason we have created new profile called as HR, and there we gave access.
Yes.
Got it?
Yeah, got it,
Okay.
sir.
Give me a minute. Keep me charging. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So now record types. While we are clicking on job position, we need to get different departments that will be creating record types. So record type will be working as a mediator, as I said, between profile and page layout. Now we can see where record types will be there. See here, you can see record types. Just click on it. Here you can see page layout information, and here you can see record types. As of now, there is no record type. So just click on new. It is asking master record type. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Record type label, we can give HR team. Record type for HR team. Okay.
HRP. HRT.
Okay, HR team. So, and now I'm removing all these profiles and I'm giving only system administrator and HR team.
HRP.
Got it?
Mm-hmm.
And next, see here, apply only layout to all profile. Which layout we need to have? HR team layout.
HR.
Save and new. Okay. And now another one, RT for finance team. And we can make it
Finance people, finance team, and administrator.
system administrator and finance team where it is.
For top of the force dot.
Okay.
Save. Next and save.
And here finance team.
Finance team. Okay.
Save. Okay. So RT finance team, record type for finance team, it is asking aid here. That means, let me show here. Got it now? See, I have two profiles. I'm a system administrator, so I have two record types. So I can log in as HR team as a finance team. So give me a minute. So I can select either anyone of these two. Coming to HR team, if I click on and continue, see, finance team information is not there. And same way, if I click on job questions and click on new, if I log in as a finance team, finance information I'm getting it. But here in page load, it is asking eight question. When we can use this eight question in the sense, whenever we have pick list values, that time we can click on this and we can show either anyone. For example, coming to finance team, requirement questions, it is asking either we need to show this one or not. In position status, we have only two. We can understand either one thing we know,
Open up.
one thing can show it to finance team. But in case if we have many things like 1 minute, expenses. Okay, so here introduction and recruitment drive. Mm, all these things we are just adding for HR team profile, finance team profile, and system administrator. I'm giving on next. Save on new. Okay. So now expenses I'm getting it here. Okay. So while I have logged in as a finance team, instead of getting all this information, I need to get only
Only.
service tax and sales tax. Okay. So that time we'll go to this first record type. See here. Just now I have created this one, right? Expenses. So click on edit, and here you can remove this three and selected values only service tax or sales tax
That's
and
next.
save. Now going back to and giving this, I have logged in as a finance team, right? So finance team has to get only these two. Okay, in case if I want to show this one as default service tax, again same thing here. Click on expenses, edit. We can make default this one service tax and save. And now
Refresh.
service tax is showing.
Okay.
Got it?
Got it,
So
sir.
same way, if I logged in, if I click on new, and if I logged in as HR team and continue, for HR team, all these things I'm getting it.
Yeah.
So just come back. So here for HR team also, if I want to make like that, what I have to do, I need to go for record types here, RT for HR team, and click on edit. So service tax, sales tax we can remove, and default we can make it as HR expenses and see. Now just give refresh. See. Okay. So being as administrator, while I click on job positions and I click on new, I'm getting option like for which one I need to log in. Okay.
Yes.
So in case if another user, if Vijay has logged in, which kind of job status will be getting, we'll see. So login as Vijay, job position. Directly I'm getting HR information. Got it? Expenses, HR expenses, it is getting it.
Because we made that one as a mandatory.
Yes, we have made that one. Got it? So I logged out and again I log in as Srikanth. So again I will go to user and log in as Srikanth. So Srikanth belongs to finance team, right? So finance team, I'm getting it and expense as service tax. Okay, so this is how we can create a different page layouts for different people for with different record types. So how to show different opportunities, sales process, business process to different country region departments because of record types. So here record types we can make it for sales process, we can make it for business process, we can make it for marketing team, we can make it for HR team, etc. etc. So whenever you are getting scenario like different business process for different paths, then answer will be record type. So go to
Okay.
that particular object, you can make it a record type new one, and you can create that one, and we can add those records type to to whom we have to add.
Okay.
No, I'm asking to whom we have to add. Once record type is created, to whom we have to add?
Administrator first.
No, to user we have to add. we have seen, right? So here.
Yeah, we created profiles
First,
and
we
users.
have we need to assign that record type. See
Yes,
that particular profile.
yes,
Got it?
yes, sir.
So number of record types will be number of page layouts. So whenever if you want to go with record type, first thing we need to create a new page layout as well, which is related to that particular record type. So what we have done when we want to make it HR record type, first we have created HR layout.
Okay, layout.
We have created HR layout, and HR layout directly we haven't created. We just cloned it that job positions in that whichever we require, those things only we have added in our that particular layout.
Mhm.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
So any doubts still in page layout?
No, sir. If when I'm practice, maybe that time I will get the
Okay,
question.
let me ask you a few more things. So I need to log out. So as of now, how many users you have created, Vijay?
Users.
Yes.
Today only
No, no. Normally, I'm asking for practicing purpose. How many users have created as of now?
4 to 5.
Okay. See here, record types we can show here, and coming to page layout. Okay. Now, if I want to remove record types for me, what I have to do?
For you only.
Yes, for me, it's showing two record types. If I want to remove these two, what I have to do?
First, users.
Okay.
Then we can go into that profile and we can change that profile set. You can remove the access.
Hmm. Here, come to record types. There, if you edit this one,
Where, sir?
so
Sir, can you go back one more
one
time?
here. If I delete this one to that particular user, it will disappear.
Okay.
Okay, so coming to page layout again. See here, if I click on new page layout or go to job positions layout,
Edit.
so here you can find job position detail information: edit, delete, clone, change owner, change record type, printable value, sharing hierarchy, everything it is there. In case if I want to add another button like location or submit or some other button, if I want to add here, so then we can go to actions here or custom buttons. See submit for approval. There is no custom button here. We can just drag and drop there, or else we can create one custom button also. These are all standard
Okay.
buttons. So tomorrow we
Okay.
can show. I'll show you to you how we can create this kind of buttons. That means, see, see here I'm getting save a new and cancel. In case if I want to get another button called as like
Delete.
delete or location
Okay.
or anything, some other button if I want to create. See, save a new cancel. We are getting it directly from Salesforce. So we can
Yes.
consider this one as custom buttons.
Standard.
Sorry, standard
Yeah.
buttons. So,
Yeah.
how we were creating these fields. So same like that, we can create one custom button also.
Okay.
We can create custom button. Same how page layout and record types we have created and we have added to users. Same way we can create in page layout and we can add to the record types so that particular person will be displayed that button. So this thing we can discuss tomorrow. It will take some time.
Sure, sir.
It will take another half an hour time to show this one. So as of now, any doubts in this Vijay?
No, no, sir. Send me the
Yeah,
video, then
video
I'll go
and
with
content also I'll share to you. This is
sure.
a very simple and confused topic.
Little tricky. Yeah.
It's very simple, but if you not aware of it, small if you forget small things while you're adding page layout or record types, then entire format will get changed.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm sharing this
Yeah.
video to you in next half an hour time. So just go through with this. In case if you have any doubt, we can message me.
Sure, sir.
Okay, can we wind up for the day, Vijay?
Yeah, sure,
Yeah,
sir.
thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.